This is just a little brainstorming list of the role of the oceans in human evolution. Okay, so what's the role of the oceans? So that you can split it up into different groups, for example, economical and logistical, and indeed the oceans were used for exploration, mapping, trade, and colonization, used as a means of transport. We also use the ocean nowadays for seawater desalination. And indeed, the oceans play an important role for the fisheries and the oil and gas industries. Not forgetting tourism. Okay? And indeed, the oceans also play an important role for defense and territorial claims. You probably know a little bit about the recent debates about the South China Seas. And ecologically, the oceans are extremely important. They provide half of the Earth's oxygen via photoplankton production. Okay? It's a habitat of many marine life forms. And then under the category others, the oceans are the water source feeding the hydrological cycle, the water cycle on Earth, which includes rainfall, precipitation, and evaporation, and feeding rivers and estuaries, which returns the water back into the ocean. Indeed, the oceans are part of the climate system, and there are many roles that the ocean plays, including ice formation, which creates an albedo effect, which reflects solar radiation. The oceans take up heat as energy and also take up CO2. Okay, so there are many roles that the ocean plays that I'm not going to discuss. And indeed, we use the ocean for pleasure activities, surfing, swimming. Surfing, 2 times written here. So 2 times surfing, 1 time swimming. Okay. Indeed, we can also use the ocean as a source of energy, okay, like wave energy, tidal energy. And unfortunately, the oceans are commonly used for waste disposal. Okay.